This month, the National Council is unveiling the new theme for the Boy Scouts of America, Prepared for Life. For the past 2 years, we've reintroduced Scouting to America with the 100th anniversary celebration, celebrating the adventure and continuing the journey. Prepared for Life builds on that message with language that draws on the heritage of the Scout motto and on our mission of preparing young people for life. For the past several months, we've been sharing this new theme with volunteers and professionals from across the Scouting movement, and the response has been terrific. It's a great message for Scouting, for parents, for families, for volunteers, and our communities. Think of it like this. Through Scouting, we're preparing young people for life and for a lifetime, but we're also prepared for fun and prepared for adventure. Through efforts like fundraising, we're preparing Scouting and our communities for the future. The possibilities are endless. Now, starting this month, you'll begin seeing the Scouting logo with the new theme, as well as identity pieces, including templates for letterhead, business cards, envelopes, notepads, and email. They're all available to Council for customization through Brand on Demand. So as you can see here, Councils can customize their materials with their Council name, address, and email information. You can see all of this and more in the new marketing toolbox at www.scouting.org/marketing. Remember, Brand on Demand is a licensed resource. Watch your email box for more marketing and branding news, or visit the new marketing toolbox for the latest information and links.